Day 14 of building German sentences without memorizing words. Today, we expose the innocent little word zu that secretly triggers an isolated end zone cage for your verbs. In English, infinitive verbs are tightly glued together. I try to learn German. The word to sits right in front of the action. Try to drop that exact sequence into a German sentence track, and you spring a structural trap. The word zu is a spatial magnet. It refuses to sit mid-sentence. When you connect an extra action clause, the word zu charges straight to the absolute end of the sentence, dragging the raw infinitive verb right behind it. Look how the engine clears the trap. I try German to learn. Real German. Ich versuche, Deutsch zu lernen. The phrase takes a hard pause at the comma, and then isolates the action at the absolute dead end. Data first. Zu plus verb at the end. Hit follow for day 15, where we look at the magnetic pronouns that lock into the engine immediately after the verb cage.